Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to make and show you how to make a homemade pizza. Yeah, a homemade pizza. I'm not talking about a full homemade pizza. I'm talking about a homemade personal pizza using a microwave and four simple ingredients. So what I have here, this is some sriracha ketchup, this Mexican style blend, this Mexican style blend cheese, Mexican style shredded cheese, and this smoked ham lunch meat. This will be the meat on the pizza. Last but not least, a butter knife. Right here to spread the sauce. Let's do this. So first of all, you want to take your sauce. I have sriracha ketchup. Just put some on the crusty thingy. Put on this, your dough, I guess. Or a tortilla like in doughy, but whatever. And spread it around your dough. Spread it around the base of your pizza. Make sure to spread it as evenly as possible. So you don't have more ketchup in one area than you do another. I'm using sriracha pizza because using sriracha ketchup, well, just because. Just spreading the son of a pizza. You want to get every single corner of the pizza, especially in the middle. Because there has to be at least a layer of ketchup. You're gonna want to know you got ketchup in your mouth. Second thought. Yes, the first step is to put the sauce on the pizza. Homemade personal pizza. Spread around. Just spread around like this. That's good enough. Actually, don't get the sauce on the plate. I'm still going to be using the butter knife to cut at the end. Next part. For this next step, you're going to want to put your cheese on the pizza. Sorry everybody for pausing the video. I just needed to get the cheese open. And now back to step 2. Put the cheese on the pizza. Like this. Cheese right there. You get a thick layer of cheese. You can use vegan cheese if you want, but I'm just going to use this Mexican style cheese. But I prefer to use non-vegan cheese because I don't really like vegan stuff. And spread around evenly like this. That's finished. Now, the last step of pizza assembly. And now that I've got the cheese open, now it's time for the last part of this pizza assembly. You want to rip up the lunch meat and spread it evenly on your pizza. Crushing up the meat. You want to rip the meat into small, tiny pieces. Then you want to spread it over your pizza. Just want to spread it evenly across your pizza. Well, after you've completed this last step, you're going to want to wash your hands. You're going to want to wash them thoroughly. I prefer to use cold water because I have less of a chance of burning my flipping hands. Remember to use soap and water. You can use hand sanitizers if you might, if you absolutely want to, but I don't recommend it. I more recommend to use soap and water. Clean. Next step, you want to put all the ingredients you used to make your pizza back in the fridge. First the ham. Place it where it belongs. And then the cheese. And then you put away your sauce back in the fridge and throw your garbage back into the garbage. Make sure to clean up your scissors if you've not opened your roasted cheese beforehand. Open the garbage. Because in order to actually cut the thing up into slices, you're going to need a much stronger knife than this. I do advise you to be careful. Now, just a disclaimer, when I use the knife, I'm not using a butter knife anymore, so just, if you are following this tutorial, please, unless, if you are not good, if you are not, just in general, please do not, please, I swear to goodness, do not use a knife on your own unless it's a butter knife or you actually know what you're doing. Now put sauce back in the fridge. I think I'm just gonna use a pizza cutter. I guess I can use a butter knife since I don't know. I guess I'll use a butter knife. If you do have a real knife, you should, unless you are very extremely careful, you should not use a real knife. And even then, you could cut yourself, so you should still be careful. Well, sauce back and I can find the knife. Let's put our fully assembled pizza in the microwave. I'm going to put it on for 3 minutes. I'm gonna get a drink. Yeah, I'm not really gonna get you guys to 2 minutes. So I'll be back. Anyways, now the pizza is heat up, the cheese is melted, and the pita pit or whatever the breading is, it's probably softened. So you want to take your knife and you want to cut it. Want to cut the pizza half like this. Be very careful because the pizza is very hot. Now try to separate the pieces. Doing this to pry under the pizza and separate like that. Once you've cut your pizza in half, you're going to turn it around and cut it in about half again. This is so you get 4 slices. If you want, you can also cut it in the way so that you get 8 slices. But for the sake of time, I will not be doing that. Just make sure to wait for it to cool down before you eat it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to conclude my quick and easy tutorial on how to make yourself a homemade personal pizza using simple ingredients and the microwave. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't, make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss any more of my future videos. That's all for now. Bye! See you next time.